A couple of years prior, cryptographic money probably implied some off-putting or hidden world banking or financial term to individuals including obscure dealers. However, today the whole situation has seen a change in outlook. As a matter of fact, going against the norm, it is the fiat framework whose roots are shaken and pandemic unfit to endure a downturn. Laid out through mining, these computerized monetary standards in a real sense are picking up speed and appear to be enduring all recessionary financial tempests. Fundamentally, cryptographic money is a totally decentralized cash principally founded on a blockchain calculation. That blockchain organization will affirm and basically confirm all new sections into the record and any progressions to it amazingly. Among the four driving cryptographic forms of money viz. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether likewise include Near Protocol as an overwhelming player. Close to protocol cryptocurrency, let's near the roots. The strong arrangements presented by Near are the side effect of the cerebrums and work of a portion of the main tech and organization specialists who have loaned their wonderful commitment to these exceptional administrations. Made by engineers Alex Skdanov and Ilya Polosukhin, both of whom have broad involvement with programming in an unobtrusive manner. They made the convention principally as foundation for innovation to have decentralized applications, dapps. It is no big surprise that it stands contrasted with crypto monsters like Ethereum and really other driving exceptionally shrewd agreement-empowered blockchains, in spite of prevalent thinking. Close to protocol's local kind of token is additionally called Near and generally is utilized to pay for exchange expenses and capacity. Disposing of Solid network opens the genuine especially capability of a whole environment of novel installment passages that generally are quick, secure, and minimal expense. Close custom tailored of a legacy and values which are established on the structure of more noteworthy monetary reasonableness and a chance for all through examination, training, and magnanimity. Close to protocol, nearing the advantages. The focal point of Near Protocol has been to fulfill developing consumer needs by opening the force of blockchain and find actual success in radically speeding up the speed, cost, and dependability of masses, particularly in the manner in which they by and large execute exchanges. Close to convention has likewise fundamentally dissolved the job of middle people by welcoming all monetary arrangements on a decentralized framework. With a plenty of contributions, a Near coin is an undeniable selection of financial backers, most certainly because of fast, cost-effectiveness, and steadfastness, especially security. Close to convention, as it were, can be known as an equivalent word to facilitator of brilliant agreement and public proof of stake, POS, blockchain with an outlook to for the most part be easy to use, integrating highlights like comprehensible record names instead of just cryptographic wallet addresses, and the capacity for new clients to connect with dapps and savvy contracts without requiring a wallet by any means. In view of our near cost expectation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The future cost conjecture for 2026 is $63.297, which is very huge. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 502.77%. In light of Near Protocol price prediction 2022, the coin could hit its especially next obstruction level of $14.98 before the current year's over. It most certainly is fitting to by and large add a Near token to your portfolio as it holds long-haul procuring potential and it might offer a very decent profit from venture, which is genuinely huge. Close to protocol cost today is around $10.52. Our drawn-out Near cost expectation for 2022 is bullish. It has an enormous chance of overwhelming its ongoing all-time high, ATH, of $7.56 this year. Notwithstanding, it might generally reach $12.60 soon, coming to $20 on the off chance that financial backers have arranged that Near is a wise interest in 2022. The ongoing cost of Near Protocol is around $10.52. In light of our figure, the coin worth might rise essentially this year. The most exorbitant cost may be around $7.77 toward the finish of 2022. Putting resources into Near coins at the ongoing value level would be a decent choice according to our examination. Redditor's cost expectation for Near convention cost states very nearly a comparable assessment. The greatest milestone triumph at the future near cost is that it would in every practical sense, cross $10, thus with 5 years, the near cost will merit wagering, as opposed to mainstream thinking. However, with the expanded gamble of misfortune, we would really prescribe near to basically be a sensibly decent long-haul venture. Going by the verifiable information, future cost patterns, and our crypto coin cost expectation, the near protocol cost might come to the $10 mark this year with its collusions and accomplices on an extension bench saving fingers in every practical sense, crossed. The kind of current cost of near protocol remains at $10.50 with a market cap of $6,788,602,686.69 and a 24-hour exchanging volume of $879,909,917.58. The really current coursing supply of near protocol remains at 645,747,533 near. Close to protocol price prediction 2022. Keeping up bear with a similar bullish pattern, there are expectations that the near protocol token is ready for a rise sign even in the following year, i.e., 2022. Following the moving example, particularly the manner in which it exchanges inside the bounds of a balanced triangle on the hourly graph, the near coin worth could run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern lines contacting in the scope of $12.15. Close to protocol price prediction 2023. Going by the insight about more limited and longer cost patterns, almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be ideal for the near coin's team, particularly with rivals making up for lost time, the intensity or the market reflecting enormous instability. There essentially is an anticipated possibility of near costs causing a misfortune, showing some opposition yet just small, dropping to a help level of $16.52 once more. Close to protocol price prediction 2024. Once more expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist on the lookout and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It basically is normal that near protocol will govern the crypto coin realm with the presentation of cost fixed at $17.92, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. This is identical to the very that truly was anticipated toward the year's end 2021 in the news, which shows near coin cost has most certainly full kind of likely going by the example to support as well as could reliably fill even in unfavorable circumstances. Close to protocol price prediction 2025. This year could stamp the benchmark year as the cost of the near protocol is anticipated to outperform a normal of $17.92 definitely. This year, no vital variables like pandemics or downturn are supposed to